Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start today's video I just want to thank you all, to everyone who has subscribed to our channel. Today we hit 4,000 subscribers, and to celebrate this milestone we are awarding a 25% discount to our trading signals, so you can sign up for a very small fee of $150 now instead of the original $199 which we usually charge. You can go to our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video to get signed up. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today we are trading in the red, currently at 8,566. Today, why are we trading in the reds? Very simple. Banking stocks are sluggish. They've just reported earnings, as the earnings season has just kicked off yesterday with JP Morgan releasing their earnings yesterday, and then today we're Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, and Bank of America. And one tip I will give you with banking stocks is if one reports bad earnings, they're likely all to report similar earnings, as the competition in banking is so similar these days. So yesterday JP Morgan posted bad earnings, and then which was below expected, and then Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and Citigroup followed today, and that weighed on the Dow Jones, which has kind of just tugged down the Nasdaq 100. There's still plenty of shares which are performing well, such as Netflix. As I did the video the other day, I told you it would be a bullish stock, and it's absolutely thriving, up 16% this week. We have the likes of Tesla, which are up around 30% in the past couple of days. So there are some stocks which are holding Nasdaq up pretty well compared to the S&P and the Dow Jones. Where do we go now, though? It's a bit of a tricky one, really. I think the next level to the upside is at 9,000 to 9,100 level. However, if we do break down, there's a lot of companies that will be reporting earnings next week. If they do still happen to weigh on the Dow and on the Nasdaq, then I can see it potentially falling back down towards the 8,000 level. So we could still see another test of the 50 and 200-day EMA, and we are, I predict that we will stay above the 50 and 200-day EMA now for some time. We always do tend to trade above it. It's very rare that the Nasdaq 100 does fall below the 250-day EMA, and if it does, it happens to shoot back, as you can see here, almost dating back to 2019. We've been trading above the 250-day EMA. So I think that this will happen, and you can see that we've got the crossover now with the 50-day EMA rising back above the 200-day EMA. So it's a very bullish sign for the Nasdaq 100. In terms of the RSI, we're currently at 58, so we have plenty of territory to the upside and plenty of territory to the downside. So as I mentioned before, 25% discount on the trading signals until Friday at midnight UK time. So if you do and have been watching our videos and you do want to get involved, then please do not hesitate. Visit our website and get signed up, as I've got plenty of signals for the Nasdaq 100 and other assets this week.